Most homeowners ask this question too late. Should I replace my air conditioner? But they ask it in July when it's already hot, when their house feels heavy, when the calendar is full. That's not the time you want to decide. Let's slow this down. If your air conditioner is 12, 14, or 16 years old and you plan to stay in your home, you're not really deciding if it works. You're deciding if you want calm access or pressure access. Summer changes everything. Equipment gets tighter, install dates fill up, choices shrink. Not because anyone's bad at their job, but because demand goes up. Now here's the common mistake. I'll just wait until it breaks. That sounds smart, but here's what really happens. You go from planning to reacting. And reacting removes options. You don't compare carefully, you don't think clearly, you move fast. And when it's hot, fast feels urgent. This isn't about fear, it's about timing. There are two seasons, calm season and pressure season. In calm season, you pick your schedule, you look at options, you think clearly. In pressure season, heat decides for you. Now, does anyone with a 12-year-old air conditioner need to replace it? No, but ask yourself this. If it failed tomorrow, would you feel ready or concerned? That's the real question. It isn't about squeezing one more summer out of it. It's about protecting your choice before summer makes it harder. Because once July hits, you're not choosing from full access. You're choosing from what's left. Stay comfortable, but please, stay tuned.